Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to type in Microsoft Word without using your hands. So don't worry if you can't type fast or if you are too lazy to type. So first we have to open Microsoft Word, click on blank document, and now we have to press Windows key plus H, and now whatever we'll say it will type it for you on the screen. So that was very simple. Here is a bonus tip for you. If you don't want to read whatever you have written in Microsoft Word, just highlight the sentence whichever you want the computer to read it for you, and it will read aloud for you. For example, first we are going to close this. So here if you highlight, read aloud.
Will say it will type it for you on the screen, so that was very simple.